Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to continue learning about bees. And today I would like to focus on the things that bees make, the things that they create. And we all know one thing for sure, bees make honey. Who doesn't like honey? Here is my information on honey for today. Bees have a long tongue called proboscis. This is used to suck the nectar from flowers. You know that already. When the bees go back to the beehive, the nectar is given to other worker bees and honey is made. If you like to read this page to yourself, you can just push pause on the screen and read it quietly to yourself. I have some honey in my house. Not every honey looks the same. I think everyone likes this honey a lot in my house because there's only a little bit left. This is honey California wildflower. So this is a honey that actually came from woodland, not too far from where we live. Then I have another honey that is a multi-flower honey, and this one is very light. So depending on what flowers the honey or the bees visited and collected the nectar from, the honey may look different. Very dark honey here, very light honey here. What are some other things that bees make? I have another page that I wanted to share with you. This page is titled Bees and Humans. That would be us. Humans use honey made from the bees in food. That's true. I like to put honey in my tea. I like to use honey in my cooking. I agree. Humans like to sweeten drinks and they use honey in medicine. But then bees also make beeswax. Beeswax? Hang on a second, I'm getting confused here. What is beeswax? Wax is made inside the bees' bodies. The bee makes the wax and then it comes out of small glands in the abdomen. Okay, head, thorax, abdomen. The wax comes out of small glands in the abdomen. The wax is then passed to their mouths by using their legs. The bees chew the wax and then shape it into hexagonal shaped cells, just like the shapes behind me, hexagons. These store bee eggs, larvae, honey, and pollen. Beeswax. Beeswax can be used for making candles and furniture polish. What do I have here? Wildflower honeycomb. Wow, this is a honeycomb that has honey in it. This honey was extracted from the honeycomb. This honey is in the comb and you can just take a bite of the whole thing. This entire thing is edible. Bees are amazing and the things that they make are so good. Now, it did say on my paper that bees make wax and wax can be used to make candles. I have a candle. And this candle was made out of beeswax. Very nice. I also have finally little tiny bits of organic beeswax, and this is what they look like. This is rather amazing. Bees make more than just the honey that we get in a jar. And I am going to attach a short video for you for today. I encourage you to watch it because it shows you some of the things that we already know, but it shows you more about how honey is made, and it shows you more about how bees make the beeswax. If you would like to read this information for yourself, you may pause the screen again. This is information on bees and humans. Bee wax. And finally, honey. I hope that you learned something new today. We only have one more day left. Tomorrow may be a quiz day to see what we have learned about bees during the past 2 weeks. It's going to be so much fun.